Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce PDF file size in just a few steps. First, let's check the size of the PDF file that we're going to reduce. To do that, right-click on the PDF file and click on Properties at the bottom. Here, you can see that the current size of the PDF file is 9.37 megabytes. To compress the PDF file, you'll find a link in the description. Click on that link and you'll be taken to a website. This site is completely free. Now I'm going to drag my PDF file from here and drop it onto the site. On the right side, there's a column with 3 options. Extreme compression. In this, the quality will be low, but the compression level will be high. Recommended compression. In this, the quality will be good, and the compression level will also be good. Less compression. In this, the quality will be high, but the compression level will be low. My suggestion is that you select recommended compression, just like I did. Then I click on the Compress PDF button. Now let's wait a bit and see how much the file size gets reduced. As you can see, it has compressed the file by 82%. It has changed the file from 9.38 megabytes to 1.77 megabytes. The file has started downloading automatically. As soon as it's downloaded, I'll show you the file's properties as well. The file has been downloaded, so I open the Downloads folder, cut the compressed file, then paste it onto the desktop. Now both files are side by side. I'll open their properties and show you. The first file's properties are now open. Now I'll open the properties of the second file as well. As you can see, how many megabytes the file was before compression and how many megabytes it is after compression. You can clearly see the difference. Now I'll also show you that the quality hasn't changed at all. Here is the first file. You can see its quality. And here is the second file, the one that was compressed. You can check its quality too. And that's it. How to reduce PDF file size. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.